landmark natin. Then, again, interlock. Okay? So, we do yung natawag natin siya almost the same with CPR. Pareho siya sa CPR. Pareho na ngayon. Kaya hindi siya mahirap. Pareho. So, 30 tayo. Talagang namin, straight yung elbow. Yung motion o yung movement magagaling sa balakang. Hindi sa shoulder. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagalaw din, yung balakang ko lang. Yun yung magpapang. Kuha ko ba? Okay, so do your chest thrust 30. The counting would be 1 to 20 and 1 to 10. So, 30. Bakit di 21, 22? Haba na kasi hindi na-repeat yung pagko-compress mo. Kuha ko ba? Okay, so, start natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's the chest thrust. Now, 30 po, 30. 120, 10, 110. Okay, ang tanong, paano kung malalaman wala na obstruction? You have to recheck the airway. Okay, so check the airway. Yes, still, yeah, parang CPR. Wala nang ventilation. Okay, guys, let's check the airway. Sound your lip. If there's any visible obstruction, lip. Next, paano kung malalaman na wala nang obstruction yan? Bigyan mo ng 2 IBM. See yung parameters natin. Kung mapasok yung hangin, wala nang obstruction. Remember, the patient na responsive, hindi yung magsasalita. Okay, pitch. Air goes in, pumasok. To confirm, refill. Another one. Okay, air goes in. Ibig sabihin, wala nang obstruction. So, ano gagawin natin? That's the time you check for the breathing mouth of the patient. So, you count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1008, 1009, 1010. O, ba? Sabay na.